Hi guys, we're here at Sanrio Purolan and we're going to take a ride in their Sanrio character boat ride. So ayan, nauna sila ate and Chloe, then susunod kami. So ayan, very happy ako syempre kasi nga Sanrio characters and nakita ko sila Little Twin Stars and very happy talaga ako. Ayan, please like and share. Thanks for watching.